If you want to block websites on iPhone, then what you do is go ahead and open settings, go to this option screen time, select lock screen time settings. Now you have to set a passcode for screen time, and this passcode will be different than the one that you use to unlock your iPhone. So let me put 6789. Again, re-enter the password. Now here you can enter your Apple ID so that you can reset the passcode if you forget it. I won't forget, so I will select this option cancel and then skip. So once you have set the screen time passcode, select this option content and privacy restrictions. Go to App Store, Media, Web and Games. Select web content. Now by default unrestricted will be selected. If you want to limit the adult websites, then you can select this option, limit adult website. Now here there are two options, always allow. Even though if you limit adult website, but if you want to open a certain website, then you can select the option add website, and then you can enter the URL of the website. Remember, you have to enter the full website. For example, https://www.facebook.com. Similarly, if you don't want a particular website to be open, select this option add website, and you can add the website here. For example, https:// so I have entered the website of YouTube. Done. And once you do it, this particular website can't be open. Now there is another option, only approved website. If you select this one, then the website that are listed here, only those websites will be open. If you want to add another website, you can select this option add website, and similarly you can enter the whole URL of the website.